In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just click on your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Finally, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!